Hello everyone, I'm Hathras Gangrape and I welcome you all to another episode of Courts Today on LiveLaw, where we update you about all the important legal developments that took place across the country today. We will begin with developments from the Supreme Court of India and then move on to High Courts and other subordinate courts. If you like our content, then it would mean a lot to us if you could please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's begin. In a key development in the Adani Hindenburg issue, the Supreme Court of India today directed the Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, to complete investigation into the controversy surrounding the Hindenburg research report on the Adani group of companies and the allegations against it within a period of 2 months and subsequently file a status report before the court. Pertinently, the bench comprising CJI D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice P.S. Narasimha and Justice J.B. Pardiwala today also set up an expert committee headed by retired Justice A.M. Sapre to look into the issue arising out of the Hindenburg report. We have made a detailed video on this development, the link to which has been given in the description box below. Please do check it out. In a significant judgment, the Supreme Court of India today held that the appointment of members of the Election Commission of India should be done on the advice of a committee comprising the Prime Minister, Chief Justice of India and the leader of the opposition or the leader of the single largest opposition party in the Lok Sabha. A constitution bench of Justices K.M. Joseph, Ajay Rastogi, Aniruddha Bose, Rishikesh Roy and C.T. Ravikumar said that this would be the setup until the central government comes up with a comprehensive legislation on appointments. Today, a heated exchange occurred between the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, and the President of the Supreme Court Bar Association, Senior Advocate Vikas Singh, regarding the listing of the petition to convert the land measuring 1.33 acres that was allotted to the Supreme Court to convert into chamber blocks for lawyers. When Singh did not get an urgent listing of the matter today, he got into a heated exchange with D.Y. Chandrachud, the Chief Justice, and said that he didn't want to take the matter to the judge's residence. To this, D.Y. Chandrachud, the Chief Justice, admonished Singh and said, and I quote here, "Is it a way to behave? I will not be cowered down like this. Sit down." The CJI further asserted that he will not be cowered down and will be treating Singh as an ordinary litigant. Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, today evening said that judges should allow lawyers to work on their electronic gadgets inside the courtrooms and must ensure that internet facilities with adequate firewalls are there so that it is put to genuine and authorized use. While speaking at a virtual inauguration ceremony of the administrative block and various e-initiatives of the Calcutta High Court, the Chief Justice of India said that mobile phones are now ubiquitous in society and recalled the time when they were banned inside many courtrooms. The Supreme Court of India, in a strongly worded judgment, said that investigations in the corruption cases are themselves turning into bigger scams, as it is not in all cases that people accused of corruption are being made to face prosecution by the investigating agencies due to the blessings of the ruling dispensation. Asking the High Courts to maintain a hands-off approach in such matters, a bench of Justices S. Ravinder Bhatt and Dipankar Datta said, when succeeding political dispensation initiates steps to prosecute such accused, they are allowed to go scot-free only on the ground that the current regime's action may be aimed at settling scores with the earlier regime. For the application of the anti-defection law, that is the 10th schedule of the Constitution, it does not matter whether the rival group is the minority or the majority political party if their acts amount to defection, observed the Supreme Court while hearing the arguments of the Eknath Shinde group in the Shiv Sena case. The court also remarked that the 10th schedule will operate even in a situation where the splinter group claims to be the real party. A bench comprising Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice M.R. Shah, Justice Krishna Murari, Justice Hema Kohli and Justice P.S. Narasimha was hearing this particular matter. Show us where the Bhime Koregaon accused Vernon Gonsalves and Arun Ferreira encouraged others they allegedly recruited to pick up arms against the government, the Supreme Court told the National Investigating Agency. A division bench of Justices Anuruddha Bose and Sudhanshu Dhulia was hearing the bail applications of Gonsalves and a co-accused Arun Ferreira, both of whom have been lodged in jail since August 2018 for charges under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, that is the UAPA. In an important development, a court in Uttar Pradesh's Hathras district today acquitted 3 of the 4 accused in the September 2020 gang rape and murder case concerning a 19-year-old Dalit girl. Judge Trilok Pal Singh pronounced the verdict today. The main accused Sandeep has been convicted by the court for the offences of culpable homicide not amounting to murder under the Indian Penal Code and for offences under the SC/ST Act. The court is set to pronounce the sentence shortly today. However, none of the 4 accused persons have been found guilty of the offence of gang rape or murder by the special court. The Delhi High Court today asked the Delhi police what action has been taken against the man who posted offensive tweets against Alt News co-founder Mohammed Zubair in the August 2020 case, after which an FIR was registered under the POCSO Act against the fact-checker. Justice Anup Jairam Bhambani asked Delhi Police Council today, and I quote here, "My question is, you found nothing against this man, that is Zubair, and did not put his name in charge sheet. What about this person who put those offensive tweets? What did you do regarding this gentleman, Jagdish Singh?" Observing that the trial court gave cryptic reasoning while refusing Bhima Koregaon accused Gautam Navlakha's bail plea, the Bombay High Court today directed the special NIA court to hear and decide the case afresh. The division bench of Justice A.R. Gadkari and Justice P.D. Nayak set aside the special NIA court's order rejecting Navlakha's bail. The High Court directed the NIA court to conclude the case within 4 weeks without being influenced by the earlier order rejecting bail. The High Court also clarified that it has not made any observations on merit. Thank you. Keep watching Courts Today on LiveLaw for more such updates. See you tomorrow.